Welcome to this tutorial on installing and configuring Java, Python, and Cite cross-platform programming tools. By cross-platform, I mean tools that can be run under a number of operating systems, including Windows, Linux, and Macintosh. The main objective here is to help people who are struggling getting the Java development kit and Python set up and usable in their system, and to get a simple text editor which they can edit their programs and scripts. I'm going to begin by downloading the latest Java JDK. I put Java JDK as a search parameter into Google, and now I'm going to grab a link to the latest version. Okay, I'm downloading Java JDK 6, update 10. I wouldn't go with JDK 7 yet, as it's a pre-release version and it's not compatible with the 2X series, being that it's a development version. I'm selecting the platform Windows because that's what I'm on here, and there's no multi-language to select here. It's just the one multi-language package. Don't forget to click that, or it'll give you a screen reminding you to need to agree to their license agreement. Now you have two choices here. You can download the full offline version, which is what I'm going to do, or you can download the online installation version, which starts the installer and then downloads files as needed for your system. Now there's also this download manager down here. It's a pretty neat little tool. If you have a long download, you can start the download manager and give it the URL, and then if something breaks the connection, it'll start the connection back up and resume downloading the file. You can use it for big files like ISO images used to create CDs. It takes about 6 or 7 minutes to download, so I'm going to fade out, and then I'm going to come back when it's just about done, and we'll pick up with the rest of the tutorial. Okay, we're just about done here with the Java JDK download. Pretty quick on this connection compared to some. Alright, let's get out of here. And let's go and find Python. The latest version of Python is 2.5. They're coming out with version 3000 here. It's still a development version. We're going to grab the Windows installer. We won't need the source code. There's one we want. And Python is kind of an interesting language. It's similar to BASIC in some aspects, and it's really good at text processing. You know, it's used quite frequently on Linux with the GTK Windows system to provide a GUI system to the user. Some computer manufacturers like Hewlett-Packard provide Python on their computer from the factory. You know, they use it for some back-end scripting to various tasks. You can check it out if you have a HP computer by going to the command line and typing Python, and you should get the idle command interpreter. Well, if you don't, you'll soon have it here if you follow along with this tutorial. If you have the opportunity to take a Python class, I would do it. It's quite interesting. You get to do some neat things with the way they handle their arrays and lists. It's pretty powerful stuff. Okay, we're just about done here. Okay, now you can see we've got the Java JDK and Python on our desktop. When we come back, we'll install Java, and then after that we'll install Python and Cite.